guys? It's your boy.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the.
This is my first. It is my first YouTube channel here, and yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna play some Roblox.
Ah, look at the top of his head.
Yeah, I'm gonna play by myself.
Look at his lips.
Oh no. Oh no, this thing's still messed up. Okay. Here, yeah, yeah, it's restarting right now.
His dress looks like them dirty. Oh my gosh, look at the lips.
So, yeah. Alright, it should be working like right now. Okay, yeah, so we're on Roblox, and yeah. This should be a very fun time.
Goodness.
First time doing this, so I am going to play some. I really don't know right now. So much stuff to play. There's not one to choose. Ooh, so much stuff to play, guys. I don't know what to play. This is hard, kind of hard. Yeah.